Today we will be solving a problem of Leetcode question number 11 containing with most water. It's a medium, difficulty level is medium. So what the question is stating is that we will have an integer array of height of length n, okay, and there are n vertical lines drawn such that two endpoints of the ith line are I comma 0 and I comma height of I, okay. So what we have to do is we have to find the two lines that together with the x-axis form a container such that the container has to hold the maximum water. Okay. At the end, we have to return the maximum amount of water that container can store. Okay. Here we can see it is like this. Okay. So suppose if we hold the water like this, instead of this, if we hold the water from this point to from this point, maybe it could have a maximum water level. Okay, so we have to find a way in such a way that it should hold the maximum level of the water. I will be declaring like two pointer, okay, from this side and this side, left and the right. It's not exactly two pointer, but the approach is somewhat similar with the two pointer, left and the right. So what I will do is, suppose imagine from this point to this point, or let's say from this point to this red point, if we have the water, so the height is higher than the red side is higher than the black side. That means the water will be spill away from this level, right? So we have to think that also while writing the code. Okay, so we'll start the code. Firstly, I will initialize a variable. Okay, so I'll be initializing the variable here, max water. I want to store the maximum water in this container. So for now, I will say that this will hold the minimum value. Okay. After this, as I said, I will declare one right equal to 0. So right will be, sorry, let's start by left. Left side will be starting from directly from this side. Okay, means this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so we'll be starting from the 0. The 0 will be now pointing to this black part. Okay, black, this black. Okay, and again another I will use another variable called as right, and this right should be pointed at the rightmost, this left. So how I'll do that, I will get this array size by using the length, and so to do that I have to do -1 so that it will directly point here. Understand? Okay, now how to get the area, we have to find an area. So this is like we have to find the first the height and the breadth. Okay, so get the area of the container. So how I'll do that, I will say it's the current water. Okay, instead of calling as a area. And how I will do that, how I'll find the breadth, it should be this from here to here. Suppose imagine from this black to this red we want to do. So how we'll do it, we have to do some subtraction, that is from the right to left. So I'll say right minus left. Okay, and how to find the, and how to get the maximum height, we have to find the minimum height. Okay, suppose this and this we want, so we have to find this height, not this height, because the water will be spill away from this point onwards, so there is no point to take this as a height. So there's a function, I'll use the math.min, and what I'll get the height of the first is the left, right? And then I will do, okay, let's do this as a right, minus height of the left. Okay, so this whole thing should come under one while statement. I'll say the left is lesser than the right, because this will be always correct, because left I started with a 0 and the right we started with the some maximum highest number of values. So this should be come under a loop, while loop. Okay, yeah, done. Let me just reformat it. Okay, till here we have done. Okay, now we got the area. Okay, now check whether the the current water is max or not. I will check whether the current water is yeah, current hold the maximum or not. Okay, so how I'll do, I will use a if condition here. So in this if condition, what I will do is I'll just check. Okay, so current water, obviously current water will be always greater than the max water. Why? Because max was the we initialize with the lowest value. Okay, so if this condition is true, then what? We have to update the current water. Okay, so how I'll do? I will do the current water. Yeah, max water should be override with the current water. So this condition, now we are getting till here. Okay, so after this what we can do is we will again do a if condition here. In this one if condition we have to check. Okay, we have to check something like whether this previous is suppose see here, this one is higher, right, and this one is lowest. So since this is lowest and we are comparing this and this, so this is lowest means if we move ahead something could be there which could be better. So we are moving this pointer, the left one, to here. Now again this is has a longer than this, so we will be think that there will be some other point where we will get the somewhat similar to this point. Okay, so we will decrease the right like this till here will decrease. Okay, sorry, yeah, the right minus minus we will do, and in the right we will do, sorry, left we will do plus plus, right we will do minus minus. Okay, so how to do that, how to check this? So what I have said is, firstly I will do the right, no, left. I'll do the increase the left. Otherwise, what I will do, I will decrease the right. So what is here? What is here? This is nothing. These are the height. Okay. So these are the height of left is so then the height of the right. If this condition is true, we'll do this. If not, we'll come to this. Okay. Check to move the wall or not. I'm considering them as a wall. Okay. Oh, we'll say the container wall. Let's put something beautiful word. Okay. So once you have done this, we have done. We are getting everything now. So after this, we will what you can do is what the description says. The description want to return the max water. Okay. So how will do? I will return my max water. Okay, so what is max water will hold? It holds the maximum number, maximum size of water that can hold. Okay, so let's see, let's run the code. uh, Something is not right. What is wrong, what is wrong? Okay. This method is finding the mean, and yeah, I'm giving the operation of the subtraction. So that's why this method only works when there is two arguments or two parameters. Oh yeah, two arguments we'll say. Okay. So this is wrong. This should be comma. So they'll find now. It will find which one has the minimum. Done. First case successful. Second case also we are successful. Successful. Uh, what is it? Let's submit. Yeah, it runs with the 4 millisecond and it bits 85.85.